What if you could go back in time and change the past? Or jump forward and see the future before anyone else? Time travel has fascinated us for centuries, and today we dive deep into the question that everyone's asking. Can we really travel through time? And here's the big question. Could time travel become a reality sooner than we think? Stay till the end to find out. To understand if we can really travel through time, let's start with science. According to Einstein's general theory of relativity, space and time are like a fabric. When mass bends this fabric, we experience gravity. This same theory hints that time travel might be possible under very specific conditions. For example, faster than light travel could, in theory, send you back in time. Wormholes, cosmic strings, or even something called an Alcubierre drive, a warp bubble, could be used to bend time. But here's the catch. While the math works, the reality, not so much. But even if we could time travel, messing with the past is extremely dangerous. Ever heard of the butterfly effect? It's the idea that even the smallest change in the past could have catastrophic effects on the future. Imagine this. You travel back to ancient times, accidentally step on an insect, and when you return, civilization as we know it no longer exists. And this isn't just science fiction. Many scientists agree that even the slightest paradox could unravel the very fabric of reality. A minor action in the past could create a temporal explosion so powerful it could destroy everything. But wait, hasn't anyone already claimed to time travel? The internet is full of supposed time travelers. There's the case of John Titor, who appeared in forums in the early 2000s claiming to be a soldier from 2036. Or the famous hipster spotted in a 1941 photograph, seemingly out of place. And while these stories are fun, none have been proven true. In fact, most of them have been debunked as hoaxes or misunderstandings. But still, they keep people wondering. Now, let's talk about real-time travel. Yes, you heard that right. Thanks to Einstein's theory, we know that time slows down the closer you get to the speed of light. Astronaut Sergei Krikalev holds the record for the longest time spent in space. He technically time traveled by moving 0.02 seconds into the future due to the high speed of orbit around Earth. So, while we haven't mastered time travel like in the movies, tiny shifts in time are scientifically possible. If tiny future travel is possible, what's stopping us from going into the past? Here's the problem. We can't exceed the speed of light. To go back in time, you'd need to break that ultimate speed limit, which would require an impossible amount of energy. Even if wormholes existed and could be used to travel to the past, they would be highly unstable. Any attempt to send information, or worse, a person, could cause the wormhole to collapse. Basically, our current understanding of physics forbids practical time travel to the past. But hold on, the story doesn't end here. Some people believe that time travel is already possible, just hidden from the public. Rumor has it that governments have been working on time travel technology since the 1980s, and it could be revealed as early as 2028. Is this fact, or just another wild conspiracy theory? What if, in just a few years, we could actually step into a time machine and travel to the past or the future? Would you take that risk? Even if time travel became possible, would it be wise? The ability to alter time would come with great responsibility. Changing history could have consequences we can't even begin to predict. And traveling to the future? What if what you find there is worse than today? Time travel might be more than just a scientific question, it's a moral one. Should we, as humans, be trusted with the power to change the timeline? In the end, while time travel may be possible in the future, it's something we're far from mastering. But who knows? Maybe one day we'll all be able to jump through time. Until then, we'll just have to keep dreaming. If you could time travel, where would you go? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-bending content.